Hey guys, I'm here at Parc Asterix and I'm staying at hotel number 2 now, which is Quais de Lutece, I think. Excuse my enunciation if that isn't correct. This is an award-winning hotel, supposedly the best themed hotel in the world. And from what I've seen so far, it looks incredible. It looks really good. Some of the theming that's in there. Of course, there is 3 hotels here at Parc Asterix. So there is Le Toit Hibbo, and there is La City Suspendu, excuse my enunciation once again, and there is this one, which is Le Quais de Lutece, which looks absolutely phenomenal. It does look really good. There's little canals, there's all sorts of bridges and walkways over there. We've stayed in 2 of the hotels now, so we'll be able to give a good account of, or we will have stayed in 2 of the hotels, good account of the Parc Asterix hotels, and so far the impressions are they are phenomenal, way above what we have in the UK in terms of Merlin. Absolutely amazing. So yeah, come inside, let's go check it out. Okay, so first things that you notice in here is how intricate everything is, all lovely bits of theming, rustic, and how it all looks really well and fits in. I love these little bits of ornaments that they've got knocking about as well. And there is the bar, that's open till 1. Oh, there's Eden. Eden's having a good time. And lovely bits of furniture and rustic tables, and it's just, yeah, they're amazing, aren't they? And all the rugs that are dangling over the top. It just looks really nice, and the high ceilings. It does, doesn't it? That smell pod, they have, yeah. So yeah, so this is the reception area. So reception is obviously 24 hours, and then the bar is open till 2 AM, which is there, which is good. Not that we'll see much of it, but it's there if you want to go and check it out. So we'll go and have a look outside and have a look at the canals. So the next thing you notice is we're outside here in the main themed area of the canal. So it looks absolutely phenomenally themed, really, really. It looks like you're actually in part of the park itself. It's amazing, all these little waterways that have been put in with little bridges that go across. And yeah, so nice. You can see all that little bits of logs that have been put up, and it just feels like you're in a really old-time village, doesn't it? It's really, really good.
It's a bit weird. It still feels like you're in the theme park.
It does, doesn't it? It's very Fantasylandish, isn't it? I have to say. What do you think, Eden?
It's just like the centre of the hotel.
It is, yeah. It just looks absolutely amazing. Oh, so there's a little Metrobus guide there. It's everything. It's just so rich in theme, and it just really does bring back Fantasyland vibes here, doesn't it? Because there's just attention to detail all over the place. It looks amazing. It's like this little cart here. It doesn't need to be there. Nobody'd miss it if it wasn't there, but the fact that it is there just looks really good, doesn't it? Just looking at all these waterways, absolutely incredible. So it's just, all this is kind of like an enclosed area, so the hotel actually runs in a loop around this area, and this is the central feature, that's kind of like the hub of the hotel, and it's just absolutely, do you know, like, even, look like that there, that is just, it looks like it's just been dropped off. Yeah, it looks like it's just dropped off and been left in there, but it just looks amazing. It all just looks very, very natural, doesn't it?
It's giving me anxiety because the kids keep going like right.
I know, yeah.
No barriers.
So just in case you happen to hear Robin saying no, it's because the kids are veering off. Because the thing is, there's no fence line here, and you can just kind of wander up to the edge of the waterway. So I can understand why it's a little bit disconcerting. But oh, and there's another lovely little feature there for any of the Asterix fans. There we go. So what do you think about this hotel?
I like the little doggy there.
You like the little doggy, so that's, of all the things, that's the thing that you like.
He was in the 4D show today.
He was in the 4D, because he's in Asterix. Again, I don't know all the characters' names, but it just looks absolutely phenomenal. All this theming, it's amazing. It really, really is. It's like you can see all the little cargo nets dangling down there. And, you just think, you really do get the impression that you're in an old village. Oh yeah.
Those doors are like
Yeah.
like rooms.
So that is people's rooms there. So you can see the doors that are just up here. That is people's rooms, which is really, really cool, because you can see that one there next to all these kind of vases, and these are people's rooms right there, which is really, really cool. And yeah, it's amazing. So what do you think? It's amazing, isn't it? So yeah, Quais de Lutece. What a beautiful hotel. Absolutely amazing. So how much was this hotel then?
I think it's about €369 for one night.
Including park tickets and breakfast, which is good.
And breakfast.
And breakfast. Yeah, and that's amazing. So you can see this one here. So this is where the restaurant is here. So this is where you'll have your breakfast. Yeah, and but it just looks so natural. It just looks like it's been there for hundreds of years, and it's just been still been used. It gives a feel that you're kind of in like a step back in time in York. What York used to look like, doesn't it? It's amazing.
York was a fishing village.
Well, you know what I mean, though. I'm just picking an old town, but. Yeah, it's like all these little things. It just looks really, really good. There's just attention to detail. Like, 'cause I like how there's wooden roofing, there's slate roofing, and there's thatched roofing. It's all just mixed in, like it's just a mix of ages, isn't it? It's the tiny, tiny little details that have, just look phenomenal. Like a little candelabra here that's been left. There's the tavern. So that is the restaurant there. You see people having their dinner. It's just so beautiful. Really, really is. This looks amazing. So we've got a little potions shop here. I'm not sure if that is an actual shop or not. I think that's the entrance to the restaurant. So all that area is, in fact, the restaurant there. So it's so good, I have to say. So in terms of finding our room, that's the reception just there, and we are straight down the corridor off reception. So it's ordinarily you'd think that'd be quite noisy, but not here. It is. All the walls are thick, the doors are really heavy, and it seems to insulate the sound really, really well. So I'll show you into the room then. So let's go and do a room tour as we check out room 210. Okay, so let's do the room tour for Quais de Lutece. Here's the children's area. Lutece, there we go. I do apologise because my enunciation. What have we got in there? So that is the WC. Looks very nice. It's very similar to.
It's almost.
Very similar. And here's the. Oh, we've got a storage area. We've got slightly more storage, I think.
Yeah.
Which is very nice, and that's the bathroom. Hello, Eden. Let's check out in here. Oh, I like the sink. Like a brass sink there. Walk-in shower, and that looks lovely. Very nice. Seems like it's very well put together and used very nice materials there indeed. So let's have a look, walk around here. And this is a very nice room. And oh, we've got an ottoman. That's good. Lovely bit of storage. And we've just got here, so we've got all our bags, so we just have to excuse that. So we've got a nice kettle as well, so you'll be able to have a cup of coffee there. So that's nice.
I've not had a kettle for ages.
No, so that'll do. There's a little notepad as well, with a pen as well, a pencil as well, which is good. Your obligatory telephone. I like this TV, how it's built into the wall. I think that's quite nice, that. And we've got a cot put here because when we time of booking it, Eden was only young and we didn't know whether she's going to be in a bed or not. She's 2 years of age, so she's going to be in the bed tonight.
Sometimes they just give you them because she's 2,
Yeah.
like under 3, because you don't pay for park tickets when they're under 3. So I think they just put them in sometimes. I
do like these beds that they give you as well because they're quite big, aren't they? Which is nice. And that bed's quite a size, isn't it? I have to say, that's really, really nice. So, yeah, that's a good sized bed. And the view out of here, we're on the ground floor, which makes it easy for us bringing a kit in and having the children. But it does mean that we don't have the best of views here, because we're also facing the opposite side to the park, because the park is actually over on that side towards you, isn't it? So, but, you know, this is a lovely, lovely room, and it does have shades of Fantasyland.
It does. I have to say though, I do prefer the other room and the other three-star one that had the opening door.
Yeah,
It's outside. It had a bit more windows, a bit more fancy-like fittings.
But this might be quieter because of the wooden floors that they had. Yeah. This might be a little bit quieter.
And we've not walked around the bit, are they?
No. We'll have to be able to walk round. I've got to go and bring some more bags in, so we'll give a full tour in due course. And yeah, looks lovely, doesn't it?
It is. It's lovely. It's still better than anything Merlin.
Oh my goodness! Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Can you imagine seeing something like that actually in a Merlin hotel? It'd be like £3,000 a night or something. But yeah, this is lovely. It's very, very nice, and can't wait to sleep in it. What do you think?
Yeah.
Let's go to sleep. So we've just had a beautiful breakfast inside the hotel there. Absolutely lovely. It has everything that you'd need really. Loads of pastries, some odd stuff as well. How about a bit of roast ham for breakfast? Potato smileys, chocolate cake if you wanted.
Bit of salmon and cheese on top.
That's very continental, that, to be fair, isn't it?
That was quite nice actually. I ate all mine.
Yeah, I quite liked it, but not for breakfast for me. But yeah, anyway. Oh, this hotel's so lovely, isn't it? It's such a nice hotel. I just love all the theming and everything. It's so amazing. Anyway, we're going to try and see if we can see some characters down here, because they do meet and greets every single morning from 8:30 until 9:30. Park opens for us at 9:30. There's 4 rides available for us to go and check out. So we're going to get ourselves ready and see if we can meet some of these characters. So if we don't see them, that'll be the end of the vlog. And thank you very much for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And we'll check you in the next vlog. Bye.
Again. No, but I was from yesterday.
Hey. Oh.
I'll let you go and get a headlock.
Yeah. Oh. That's it. Oh, say Missy. Good boy.
Okay. Oh, you've got another one. Another one. Don't leave him hanging.
Yeah. Bye. So in terms of making your way to the hotel, from the hotel to the park, there's the hotel there. Walk straight down this path here and we follow where Robin and Casper are in front, straight down this path here, and it'll take you straight to the park. I got told it's a 5-minute walk, but I don't even think it's that, in honesty. So this is the rear of the park. It's a special entrance that's for hotel guests only. And yeah, it takes you, you get let in at 9:30, and there's 4 rides you can actually ride from 9:30, which include the Pegasus Express, Tonnier de Zeus, which is the big wooden roller coaster, which you can just see up there, and there was another couple as well. I can't remember what they were now. But yeah, that's it. So we're getting towards where the park is now. You just follow the signs up here. You can just see on those wooden signs, there's Parc Asterix down that way. And also, this is the direction of the other 2 hotels, which is the Toit Hibou and the City Suspendu, which we stayed in the night before. So yeah, if you want to know what the Suspendu looks like, check out our other vlog as well. So it's a nice easy walk this down here as well, I must say. It's not particularly far or arduous. It's a nice straight path that they've put in, and I like all the kind of the wildlife that they've got growing here. It's dead easy, it's dead straightforward, but it looks nice. And running alongside, there's Casper, he's happy to be on camera. Yeah, we have, yeah, so there it is, La Tonnier de Zeus. That's one of the ones that's going to be operating from 9:30. It is 9:28 now.
Call it Zeus.
Zeus, we're going to just call it Zeus, it's easier, isn't it? Tonnier, of course, is the translated version of thunder. There's
I'll make you go on that one.
You'll make me go on it?
Yes.
Right, okay. And as you can see there, that is Guderix, which is the incredible looking looping coaster there. It's not the smoothest. If you want to know what my thoughts were, there's a separate on-ride filming of that, and my thoughts on what the ride is, so you can check that out on our other vlogs as well. So this is, you can see this little sign here, access to the park. Straight down here when you come out, there's also a little area for you to be able to remind you where the hotels are too. And that is it. That's how you get into the park.